In this example, we will write the quadratic function in vertex form. So that is, we need to write it in the form p of x is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, and then we will identify the vertex of the graph of the function. Recall that we used completing the square to get this factored form, this binomial squared, in our function. So the way we'll do this is we're going to get everything that's not involving an x on the other side. So we're going to subtract 11 from each side. That gives us p of x minus 11 is equal to x squared minus 10x. Now we need to find a number that will make a perfect square trinomial. Recall that to complete this square, we have to take half of the coefficient of x, so negative 10 divided by 2, and then we have to square it. So that gives us negative 5 squared is going to be 25. And then we need to add 25 to this x squared minus 10x to make it a perfect square, but what we do to one side we have to do to the other side. So we will have p of x minus 11 plus 25 is equal to x squared minus 10x plus 25. Simplifying on the left, we get p of x plus 14 is equal to x minus 5 quantity squared. Now to solve for p of x, we can subtract 14 from each side to get p of x is equal to x minus 5 squared minus 14. Now, the vertex of this parabola is the ordered pair 5, negative 14. Now recall, you could also find the vertex by using the vertex formula. The vertex formula, recall, is x is equal to negative b over 2a. In this particular function, our value of b is negative 10, so we would have the opposite of negative 10 divided by 2 times the value of a, which is the coefficient of the square term, which is just 1. So that gives us 10 divided by 2, or 5. But that's only half of the vertex. To find the y value, we then replace x with 5 in the function. So p of 5 would be 5 squared minus 10 times 5 plus 11, which is 25 minus 50 plus 11, or negative 25 plus 11, which is negative 14. So in either way, we get that the vertex is 5, negative 14.